As December arrives, something magical begins to happen. The nights grow quieter, the lights glow softer, and our homes transform into places where memories live and dreams feel real. As winter draws near, and the world outside becomes quieter, there's a certain magic that begins to awaken within our homes. A glow in the corner, a soft flicker of candlelight, a wreath on the door that whispers welcome. And suddenly, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. This is the season when spaces transform, when memories take shape, when every light, every ribbon, every ornament tells a story. A story of warmth, of joy, of families gathering, of hearts coming home. Today, we bring that magic to life through 20 beautiful Christmas decoration ideas, designed not just to decorate your home, but to make it feel truly, unmistakably, magical. 1. The Statement Christmas Tree. Begin with the tree, the silent storyteller of Christmas. Let it stand tall, at the center of your home, like a guardian of memories. As you place each ornament, let your mind wander. Remember where it came from, who gave it to you, or the moment you bought it yourself, hoping it would one day hang proudly here. Wrap it in warm, golden lights. Lights that don't just illuminate the branches, but awaken emotions you forgot were sleeping. Let the tree be more than decor. Let it be the heartbeat of the season. 2. The Fireplace Garland. Move to the fireplace, where warmth and winter meet. Drape garlands thick with evergreen, with pine cones kissed by frost, with berries glowing like tiny rubies. As the soft lights weave through the branches, you'll see shadows dance across the room, creating a rhythm of comfort, a gentle reminder that winter isn't cold, when warmth lives inside your home. The White and Gold Minimalist Palette. Choose white and gold if your soul longs for peace. White, like freshly fallen snow, pure, quiet, soft. Gold, like candle flames, warm, graceful, timeless. Together, they create a visual lullaby, whispering elegance into every corner. No clutter, no noise, just calm, glowing sophistication that feels like a deep, soothing breath. 4. Rustic wooden accents. Let nature in. Bring the strength of wood into your space. Raw, honest, imperfect. Wood carries warmth without speaking, telling the story of forests, winters, moments. Place wooden stars, carved ornaments, log candle holders, and feel how your home slowly shifts into a cozy, cabin-like retreat. A place where you can rest, where you can breathe. Five. Twinkling window lights. Dress your windows in twinkling lights, so the world outside can feel the glow within. Let the lights cascade like falling stars, creating ripples of magic every time the wind brushes against the glass. When night falls, your windows will not just shine, they'll glow like portals to a quieter, softer, dreamier world. Six. Scandinavian-inspired serenity. Take inspiration from the north, where winter is long, but homes are warm. Use soft neutrals, blankets like clouds, and decor made by hand. Let your space feel natural, humble, and quietly beautiful. This is the art of hygge. A feeling, a moment, a gentle invitation to slow down and savor the simple joys of the season. 7. The festive entryway. Before anyone steps inside, let them feel welcomed by Christmas. Hang a wreath full of life. Place lanterns that glow like guides in the night. And add touches that say, "You are home here." The entryway is the handshake of your house. The first story. The first breath of holiday spirit that guests will feel in their hearts. Eight. Candlelit centerpieces. Candles are storytellers. They flicker like memories. They glow like hope. Gather them on your table, with greenery, ribbons, or ornaments, and watch as the room transforms into a sanctuary of warmth. A candlelit centerpiece doesn't just illuminate dinner. It illuminates connection, the kind that stays long after the season ends. Snowy faux florals. Bring winter indoors without freezing the room. Frosted branches, white roses, and soft faux snow create a world where beauty feels untouched, pristine, quietly magical. A reminder of snowy mornings, of gentle silence, of winter at its most poetic. 10. Elegant ribbon touches. Ribbons are the unsung heroes of Christmas decor. Velvet, satin, silk. Each one brings softness and grace to whatever it touches. Let them flow from the tree, hang beautifully from wreaths, or wrap cherished gifts in layers of elegance. A ribbon is a finishing touch, simple yet deeply impactful. Luxe metallic accents. Let your space shimmer. Gold, silver, bronze, champagne. Each metallic piece captures light, reflecting it back with a quiet brilliance. Add metallic ornaments, candle holders, or table accents to give your home a sophisticated glow. This is holiday glamour, without noise, without excess. Just pure, refined sparkle. 12. Personalized Christmas stockings. Stockings are more than fabric. They are symbols of belonging. Add initials, names, or embroidered details to honor every person in the home. Hang them by the fireplace, where they stand like silent guardians of tradition. When you look at them, you'll see more than decor. You'll see love. You'll see family. You'll see home. Holiday-themed throw pillows. Soft, simple, transformative. Switch out your pillows and watch the room shift instantly into holiday warmth. Choose textures like knits and velvet, patterns like snowflakes, pine trees, or classic tartan. Pillows invite comfort. They whisper, sit, stay, rest. And during Christmas, that invitation becomes even more precious. 14. Classic red and green accents. There's a reason red and green endure. They hold nostalgia. They hold childhood memories. They hold the essence of Christmas itself. Use them boldly or subtly. In ribbons, ornaments, blankets, or table settings. Let the classic palette wrap your home in a warm, familiar embrace. Like returning to a place you never truly left. Nature-inspired centerpieces. Let the earth guide your creativity. Gather pine cones, dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, and fresh sprigs of green. Arrange them on your table, and feel the balance they bring. Rustic yet refined. Simple yet meaningful. Nature doesn't ask to be beautiful. It simply is. And your centerpiece will reflect that truth. 16. Vintage ornament displays. Some ornaments don't belong on the tree. Some deserve a spotlight. Place vintage or sentimental pieces in glass bowls, trays, or cloches to create elegant displays of memory. Let them tell their stories. Stories from decades past. Stories still being written. These ornaments are treasures, and every treasure deserves to be seen. 17. Christmas kitchen decor. Let the heart of your home feel the season as well. Hang festive towels. Bring out Christmas mugs. Add greenery above shelves. And place small ornaments where laughter lives. The kitchen is where warmth begins. Where meals, conversations, and memories simmer quietly throughout the season. 18. Holiday lanterns. Lanterns are like miniature hearths. Place them by the fireplace, along the hallway, or at your front door. Fill them with candles, ornaments, or soft fairy lights. Their gentle glow creates a pathway of warmth through every corner of your home. 19. Christmas wall art. Switching your wall art can change the entire personality of a room. Hang prints of winter landscapes, minimalist Christmas calligraphy, or soft watercolor holiday scenes. Let the walls speak. Let them tell a seasonal story that transforms the space from everyday living to holiday dreaming. 20. A sparkling outdoor setup. Finish your magic outside. Wrap the porch in warm lights. Hang wreaths full of life. And place glowing lanterns to welcome every guest with warmth. At night, your home will glow like a lighthouse of joy, a beacon of celebration, guiding hearts toward the warmth inside. In the end, Christmas is not about perfection. It's about presence. It's about warmth. It's about the glow that fills a room when the people we love are near. It's in the lights. It's in the laughter. It's in the memories quietly forming in the background. So decorate with intention, with love, with hope, with wonder, because the true magic of Christmas is not how your home looks. It's how it makes you feel. And this year, let it feel unforgettable.